Yeah, morning all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So in the last class, just I was briefing you about this Django, right? So becoming a full stack developer, you need to have the knowledge of this backend. So we have got three positions: backend developer, front end, and full stack developer. Backend developer deals with the business logic implementation and the flow of data. Front end developer, how the data means how would we present the web page. Full stack developer need to have bridge the gap between the above two positions, right? Front end technologies: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. HTML just for presenting the data, CSS for adding styles. Bootstraps, we have got predefined styles. For JavaScript, adding some dynamic nature, right? HTML will give static response, but HTML along with JS gives dynamic responses. To display a message, good morning, HTML is enough. For dynamic responses, displaying current date and time, right? For dynamic response, right? If you want to print the current date and time. One second. For dynamic responses, displaying a current date and time. Static and dynamic responses. Static and dynamic response. Static response means if response is not varied from time to time. Home page of an organization or login page of Facebook, right? Dynamic response, if response is varied from time to time. Balance page of SBI, Gmail inbox, right? So backend, right? We have got four things: the language to choose, the framework, the database, and the IDE. Language, the Python. Framework, we are using Django. Database, MySQL or Oracle. IDE, right? PyCharm Professional VS Code. Roles and responsibility of Python full stack developer: developing and managing web applications, working with templates, that is front-end technologies, right? Working with databases, working with back-end technologies, working with web server, right? Logical and problem solving skills, right? Yes. Full stack web development means it's a process of developing both front end as well as back end application. So some terminologies you need to understand is World Wide Web. It is a system of internet servers that suppose hypertext documents. These documents are called as web pages, and the starting point of the document is known as home page. Web pages are identified by their URLs. Every web page has got a URL, right? Every website has got a URL identified by a URL. Internet means network of huge network of network. www is a service of internet. Web page, document which is written in HTML, which brings together all the text images, audio, video, hyperlinks, right, at one place. Website means it is a group of interlinked web pages which has a single domain name. Web application means which provides service over the web. Web browser, the software which we use for browsing. Web server means the software that provides the user with the required documents, right? Web framework, it is a code library which helps to build flexible web applications. So first, I'll be discussing with the front-end technologies, right? So as part of this Django, apart from Django framework, I am going to provide you the knowledge with this UI technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? And apart from the Django, again, I'm also going to provide you the knowledge on Flask framework and REST API also, right? So first, today I'll be starting with HTML, right? HTML, right? Hypertext markup language, hypertext markup language. HTML is the HTML is the major language. It is the major language, right? Yes. Of www, of World Wide Web, of World Wide Web. Web pages are written in HTML. Web pages are written in HTML, which enables bring together, right? Which enables to bring together, right? The text, images, videos, links, etc. all into one place. Web pages are written in HTML, which enables us to bring together the text, images, videos, links, etc. all into one place. HTML is a markup language. HTML is a markup language. That does all the structuring and that does HTML is a markup language that does all the structuring and formatting job. Okay, you need to clearly understand what do you mean by hyper, what do you mean by text. Hyper text markup language, right? Hypertext markup language. HTML is non-linear access. HTML allows non-linear access to information. HTML allows non-linear access to information. Non-linear access to information means anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web. What do you mean by non-linear? Linearly means from the first to last, linearly. Non-linear means we can go from the middle of it, right? Non-linearly. For example, if you want to read a storybook, you will read linearly from the first page to the last page, right? But if you want to refer to a particular topic of Python, particular topic means non-linearly, just you will go to that particular topic directly and read that particular topic. Means anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web, from the World Wide Web. Hypertext means anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web. We can access anything from anywhere, right? It's text. HTML is a simple text. HTML is a simple text. It is a simple text. Yes. Markup. Here tags are used. Here tags are used to mark the information. To mark the information, right? Tags are used to mark the information. Language. It is a language. Yes. Steps in writing HTML code. Steps in writing HTML code. For writing HTML code, for writing HTML code, we use Notepad, right? For writing HTML code, we use Notepad and a web browser, right? Chrome. Now we'll see one by one HTML tags used for structuring and formatting. HTML tags. Starting a tag. Starting a tag. Just say yes. Tag name, whatever the tag name, you just need to specify within the angular braces. Closing a tag. Closing a tag. Bold tag. Opening a bold tag. Closing a bold tag. Every HTML code should. Every HTML code should begin with ends with /HTML. Every HTML code should begin with HTML and ends with HTML, right? This tag identifies that the document is a HTML document. That the document is a HTML document. HTML is not a case sensitive. HTML is not case sensitive. You can write in uppercase or lowercase, right? Header tag. For header information. It consists of one tag. It consists of one tag called as title tag. Titles. To specify the title of for the document. To specify the title for the document. To specify the title for the document, right? Yes, title tag. Next, body tag is the important tag. BODY, right? Whatever we want to display, on the web page, whatever we want to display on the web page. Everything should be kept within the body tag. Whatever we want to display on the web page, everything should be kept within the body tag. BR to go to next line, to go to next line, just like slash n, right? I italic tag, text appears, right? Text appears in italic, bold tag, right? BOLD, bold tags. Text appears in bold form. Text appears in bold, right? Yes. Next, U, underline tag. This is for underline. Okay. And P is for paragraph tags. Paragraph, right? For paragraph, right? XP is for paragraph. Displays data in a paragraph. For displaying the comment. Observe this. Generally, yes. Tag name, attribute equal to value. Tag name, attribute equal to value. Body tag has many attributes. Body tag has got many attributes like BG color, BG color, right. The color to be used for the background, for the background. The color to be used for the background. Secondly, text. The color to be used for the text. In the web page. The color to be used for the background. The color to be used for the text in the web page. Okay, let us see one example, right? Example, sample web page. Yes, open a separate notepad. Yes, everyone try to open a separate notepad. Yes. Before that, I'll create a separate folder. Right. So within the C drive, I create a new folder. Within the C drive, right? I'll create a new folder, right? Yes. The Django June 2024. This is the folder name. Within this, I'll create a folder HTML. New folder HTML. Within this HTML, I'll save all my HTML files, right? Yes. Here I'm opening a separate notepad. Yes. First, we need to start with HTML tag. HTML. Within the HTML tag, we have got header tag. Within the header tag, we have got a title tag. Sample web page. Slash title and slash header. Now, whatever you want to display, right? Display within the body tag. For example, I'm writing something, right? Within the body. Python is a general purpose programming. Python is a general purpose programming, right? Next one more. is a high level language. Is a high level language. Python is a high level language. What? I'm displaying two lines on the web page, right? Slash body slash HTML. Just I'm writing some code. Save it. So within the C drive, right? Within the C drive, the Django June within this HTML. Sample web page, right? Dot HTML you need to save. While saving, you need to save with dot HTML. Python file with dot py. Here with dot HTML, right? File, save as you say. Sample web page dot HTML. Immediately you will get this. Like a Chrome format. Dot HTML means you will get like browser format, right? Yes. Now just click this, open this Chrome, this file double clicking it. Python is a general purpose programming and Python is a high level language. You're getting both in the same line. How can I make it to go to the next line? This one. I want to make it to go to the next line. What should I use?
BR.
BR tag, right? I need to use BR tag. That is one. Now you can check it. Just refresh it. This circular arrow is there, right? Yes. Python is a general purpose programming. Save as .html. After that, just click that file. It gets open. Otherwise, you can right click and say, go to that file and say, for the first time, if you're opening it, right click and say, open with Chrome browser. It opens. You'll get out. But I want since
So where I can see the title sample web page.
sample web page title you can see here. Can you see here?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now check this. I want Python in bold form. I want Python in bold. Just give bold. Only Python I want in bold. /p. General purpose programming I want in italic form. Italic. This Python I want in bold form and also in underlined form I want. Close this underline. Only this word only. Whichever you want in underlined form, that everything you keep within U and /U. Whichever you want to keep in the bold, right? Keep within B and slash B, right? This high level language also I want in italic form. I and slash I and slash I. Whichever you want in italic, keep everything within the italic tag. Here also say BR. Now just to go and save it, Control S. Just to go and refresh now. Can you see Python in bold form? General purpose programming in italic form. Python in bold and underlined form. And it's a high level language, right? Yes. Yes. Now observe carefully. The web page is in the black and white format. See the web page, it is in the black and white, right? Black color text and white background, and black color text, right? But I want in different colors, right? Observe. Body, I want the background color, give some color, background color equal to red. Text color is yellow. Background color is text, red. Text color is yellow. Just to go and refresh. Save it first. Save the file, Control S. And just to go and refresh. Now you got the background color as red, text color as yellow color. Next, if you want different types of headings, HTML provides 6 tags for headings. From H1 to H6. HTML provides 6 tags from headings from H1 to H6. H1 will be the bigger heading. Smaller heading. H1 is the bigger heading, H6 is the smaller heading. Example. I'll just copy the same thing, to a separate notepad. See how to write a comments in HTML, right? So just to give exclamatory mark, hyphen, hyphen, comments in HTML. So if you want to specify multiple headings, right? Check this. H1 is the bigger heading. H1 is the bigger heading. So I'm saying Python programming slash H1, right? H2. Same thing. Copy paste for 6 times. Same thing you copy paste for 6 times. H2, H2, H3 slash H3, H4, H4. Okay. Now see the headings, right? Just observe this. Headings dot HTML. Now just to go to that file, click on this and say open with whichever browser you want, you can open with that browser. See, this is the bigger heading, H1. H6 is the smallest heading. For example, you have got some tags next time. Next, we have got SUB for subscript, SUP for superscript. If you want to mention anything, subscript or superscript, right? Just check this, subscript or superscript. Hmm. For example, H2 tag I'm using, H2 tag. I'm saying H2O. How to write H2O? H to this H, I want some subscript. I want some subscript. What is subscript? 2 I want. Close that subscript. Is the chemical name of water. Is the chemical name of water. Like slash H2. Superscript also, right? For superscript. Pi r square. Pi into r square. For r square means 2. I want superscript. 2 as superscript slash sup is the area of the circle. Is the area of the circle slash H2. No. Mm, subscript and superscript, right? Yes. Mm. Check this. H2O, you got the subscript 2O, right? H2O is the chemical name of water. Pi r square is the area of circle. R square you got, right? Superscript you got. Yes. Strike. For striking a word, phrase, or a sentence. Strike for striking a word, phrase, or a sentence. Subscript for subscript, SUP for superscript, strike for striking a word, phrase, or a sentence. For example, subscript, superscript, and strike. Just check it. H1 I am saying. Python course offer price for summer. Whichever you want to strike, you keep it here. Just to go and refresh. Yes. I refresh this. Python course offer price for summer, right? 20,000 slash you got 12,000, right? Yes. Use space here. Mark you tag. Displaying the text. Displaying the text in scrolling form. In scrolling form, right? Yes. Displaying the text in scrolling form. H2. Everything I'll keep in a mark you tag. No Django batch. Starting from today. Slash mark you. Slash mark you, right? Yes. Mark you dot HTML. Save it. Yes. Observe this. Yes. in the form of scrolling form, right? Mark you means in the form of scrolling. But even we can display many, for example, mark you. BG color, COLOR, BG color equal to green. BG color equal to green, right? Height equal to 70. Check it once. And one more thing. In this way, right? H1 you say H1 slash H1. H1 slash H1, right? Yes. Yes, new DJANGO batch. Can you see new DJANGO batch starting from today? Mark you tag. So we have got many options here, right? For this mark you, for the text to scroll or to slide or to alternate a direction, BG color, loop or height or width. So in the same way, if you want, so we have got many tags. Next, we'll be discussing about the tags, right? How to embed some images on the web page, how we can include some images on the web page, and how to display data in a tabular form. In the tabular form, right? Employee data or customer data or product data, how we can display on the web page in a tabular form, in the form of images. Hyperlinks. If we click something, right, it has to go to another web page. Such kind of hyperlinks. Lists by using bullets, by using markers, how we can display the data, right? And forms, buttons, submit button, clear button, text field, text area, radio button, check buttons, multiple selections, right? And frames, how to divide the web page into multiple frames, how to divide the web page into multiple rows and columns, multiple frames, right? All this we'll be discussing from the next session, right? It's a just introductory session to HTML. So next Saturday, the link will be changing, right? So everyone get to enroll. As I said, along with the Django, you'll be provided knowledge on this, all these UI technologies, along with another framework I'm going to provide, like Flask framework and REST API. One second, just hold on. See in the chart, we can see the demo video, right? Yesterday's video is available, right? You can see in the chart panel, the link, the Django link, course content link, demo videos. Okay. So, and the payment process and the procedure, everything is given. And today's video, you will be getting to mail by today afternoon. You'll be getting today's video also to the mail. But from the next week onwards, next Saturday onwards, right? A separate Google Drive for this Django, a separate WhatsApp group for Django. So that, so who already got enrolled, for the Python full stack, right? Yes, directly you will be getting that message to the mail. Even if you already got enrolled, you can just give me a message if you not got the link. Next Saturday onwards, like we'll be starting with this, you'll be WhatsApp group creation, this Google Drive, you will be getting the videos and the notes will be forwarded, right? Yes. 1 second, these notes, whatever I discussed today, 1 second, hold on. So this is 1 second, mark you. Control A, Control C, yes. HTML notes. See, 1 second, I'm forwarding the notes now. Everyone, you can just copy the notes. 1 second. Everyone, you can check HTML notes. Have you got it in the chart? HTML notes have you got in the chart, right? Yes. So just next week, so just everyone try to get enrolled for getting the notes, videos, and this adding to the WhatsApp group. So next Saturday we'll continue more discussion on this. Next Saturday, my discussion will be how to embed tables and images onto the web page, how to organize the data on the form of tables, and how to display images on the web page. Yes, and some other common tags are there, right? Yes.
The next class will be 2 hours session or it will be 1 hour?
No, it will be 2 hours next one. Next Saturday and Sunday we'll be having 2 hours starting at 7 o'clock.
Sir, actually I have enrolled for full stack. Do I need to send a mail again or I will get added to the WhatsApp automatically?
Next Saturday during the class, everyone will be get added into the WhatsApp.
Okay.
This Saturday in the middle of the class, the WhatsApp link will be forwarded, right? You can get added. Okay. Fine. So those who have already got enrolled directly will mails that online team will forward the mails to you about that link. Yes, fine. So I'm stopping for now. We'll continue right next Saturday. Fine.
Thank you, sir.